Is your DJI Mic 2 not working with iPhones, Android or PC, it's not recording, has no light, or the audio bar disappeared? In this video, you'll find all your fixes. No matter which problem you're having with your DJI Mic 2, first of all, you need to make sure the receiver or the transmitters has enough charge. If you have the charging case, as you can see here, the receiver has no audio bar and the transmitters are not turning on. So, in that case, if you have the charging case, then just place your receiver and both the transmitters inside the case. As you can see here, they will turn on. If they don't, just give them a few seconds and they should pop up after receiving enough charge. In case you're having problem with your transmitters not linking to your receiver, even though they have enough charge, then what you need to do is simply close the lid of the charging case, wait for around 10 seconds, and then open it back up. They should get linked automatically. If they don't, they're probably in Bluetooth pairing mode, which you can tell by the blue light, but sometimes it may show green and still be in Bluetooth pairing. So in any case, what you need to do is hold down this recording button while the transmitters are turned on and wait for the light to become solid green. Then if you put it back in the case, it should get paired now. Then in case you don't have the charging case and your transmitters won't turn on, then you can charge your transmitter using a Type-C cable. Just plug it into the Type-C port of your transmitter and charge it using any charging adapter you have. If it's turned off, there won't be any LED, but it will still be charging, so just leave it for a while and you should be able to turn it back on and connect it. The same way you can charge your receiver and it will show the charging indicator. Now in case you see the audio level or the audio bar, but it's not recording, then check if the transmitters are muted. Then in most cases, it's because of an improper adapter connection. So when you're attaching the adapter, make sure to push it all the way in until it's flush. And always look for the connection pop-up, which will confirm that the adapter is plugged in properly. And a common mistake that people do is while attaching it to a phone or a PC, pushing it like this while holding the receiver, which may loosen the adapter connection, which you can see here, and you won't get any audio even though it shows audio bar. So to connect it properly to any device, always push on the adapter and not the receiver. But sometimes it may show the receiver is connected, but there won't be any icon. This is a telltale sign that your adapter is broken or has become loose, which happened in our case. And if your adapter is broken, then even though you see the audio bars, your device won't use the transmitters. So you have two options. Either buy a new adapter, which is a bit expensive, or what you can do as a simple workaround is connect your transmitter to your device, whether it's a phone or a PC, using this Type-C port. And this will work just fine. So now you won't have to deal with a faulty adapter. Also, don't forget to make sure that the transmitters are not muted. If you have the receiver, then you can swipe up from either left or right to open the corresponding transmitter, then make sure the speaker icon is not disabled. Now in case you don't have a receiver and you're only using the transmitter as the standalone recorder, but you're unable to connect it to your iPhone or Android, then what you need to do is switch your transmitter over to Bluetooth pairing mode. And you do that by long pressing on the recording button. Press and hold until the LED turns blue and then goes back to flashing. After that, head to your smartphone's Bluetooth settings and put your transmitter into pairing mode by long pressing on the link button right on top of the power button. Now the blue light will start blinking rapidly and your mic 2 will appear. Now you can go ahead and connect to it and start recording. Now in some cases, if you're still having problem with your DJI Mic 2 transmitters or the receiver, then this may be caused by an outdated firmware or a fatal system glitch. And in both cases, you can fix it by manually updating your Mic 2 firmware. And if you need help with that, we have a quick and easy guide on how to update your DJI Mic 2 transmitter and receiver manually. And that's all. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you around.